Hello, my name is Michael Lippig. I'm a senior consultant with IDCON, a maintenance and reliability consulting firm based in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today I'm going to talk to you about planning and planning your planning in particular. Whether you are a planner, a tradesperson, a maintenance supervisor, or someone managing planners, these videos can help. Chances are the less experience you have doing planning, the more of these activities you omit. But the correlation is not a given. I've seen many seasoned planners that do not follow these activities and some newbies that do a fair amount of them. As simple as the concept of planning is, it is poorly understood and paid a lot of lip service. In this first video, I will be guiding you through a series of steps to help you understand the process of planning your planning. Let's get started with the planning your planning. The process 7 steps. They are: Step 1. Understand the process. 2. Prepare the backlog. 3. Select your work. 4. Prepare forms. 5. Assemble your toolkit. 6. Execute your plan. And step 7. Your post-field work. Step 1. Understand the process. You should familiarize yourself with the whole process. That may mean for you to watch the video and pay attention to step number 1 in particular and kind of conceptually understand the rest of the steps, and then watch it again and go through the details. You will gain a better understanding by doing it this way, and it will make more sense to you, probably saving you time in the long run too. Step number 1 includes a few universal truths about planning that are important to consider and apply. First, if you do any planning, it's important that you're approaching planning in the most professional and productive way you can. As the saying goes, any job worth doing is worth doing well. Approaching planning with some humility and respect goes a long way. It makes you look good and it makes you look professional. It vastly improves your productivity as well as that of the trades, and also the quality of the execution, not to mention the resulting equipment reliability. I like to think about a planned job as a product. Like any product, a good quality product that matches an existing need will be a desired product. Therefore, my aim with these videos is to help you create or maintain that desired product. When you deliver a well-planned job, the consumers of the products, the trades executing it, will appreciate it and want it over and over again. They do that because the contrast between a non-planned or poorly planned job to a well-planned one is so dramatic. A well-planned job also has such a positive impact on them. Believe me, they may not say it, but they feel it. Number 2, to plan well, every job needs to be scoped in the field. There is just no getting around it. That avoids many planning mistakes and omissions, including forgetting important details about the site, the job, or the way you get material to the site, to mention a few. Even if you're familiar with the site and have done or planned the job many times before, you may be surprised by changes in the site or equipment condition. It could be other jobs going on, it could be production changes, vendors haven't set up temporary containers or equipment in the area, or scaffolding, or parts or materials accumulating locally. Number 3, you can't plan in a vacuum. You're part of a team, and planning and scheduling does not work well with other team members not doing their part. Good planning starts with planning. Before you start planning, it's important that you prepare, observing the 5 P's of planning. They are: proper planning prevents poor performance. That ensures that your planning goes both smooth and is effective. These steps I present here are general and may need modification depending on your plant, your organization, and the experience in the field of professional planning that you have.